Hey everyone, and welcome back to this class. So one question I get very often is, when are you going to release your next course? And when are you going to do your next promotion? The best way to keep track of when I'm releasing courses is to sign up for my newsletter at lazyprogrammer.me. I'm always going to announce things here first, so if you want to be first, this is the place to be. I also give out a ton of free material on my newsletter, so you want to make sure you're signed up for it. I also release coupons on social media, so you want to make sure you're following me on my Twitter. My username is @LazyScientist. Another place I post things a lot is on my Facebook page, so if you want to follow me on there as well, that's facebook.com/lazyprogrammer.me. I'm on various other sites as well, including Pinterest, YouTube, Vimeo, and so on, so if you're already on those sites, just look for me and you'll probably find it. So aside from coupons and announcements, a very good reason for you to be following me on all these channels is so that you can get your hands on exclusive free material. A lot of people make requests, like for example, they want to learn about time series, or they want to use neural networks for regression, or they want to see a Tensorflow implementation of some neural network architecture. If you're waiting for me to add lectures on these topics, it might take a very long time, depending on when I can get around to it. But it's a lot easier for me to write some code and write up a short tutorial. If I do that, there's a good chance I'll release it as free exclusive material, but these are time sensitive, which means I'll offer it for a short period of time and then it will be taken away forever. It's a thank you for being signed up, so if you're not signed up, you won't know and you won't be able to access the material. Finally, a lot of people are interested in coupons. If you want coupons, just email me at info@lazyprogrammer.me and I'll send them to you for whatever course you ask. You don't need to wait for a specific promotion or anything. Just email me personally and I will send you coupons.